Malapit saktan ni Turman ang kanyang asawa.
You don't have to walk away from me right now.
At si Pacquiao ang dahilan nito. Boxing fans, maligayang pagbabalik. Magpahanggang ngayon, di pa rin nakaka-move on si Keith Turman kay Pacquiao. Ang pruweba, mukhang bibig pa rin ito ang boxing legend. Sa araw na ito, ating bigyan ng malalim na analysis ang utak ni Keith one-time Turman. Bakit ba di siya makamove on sa talo niya? Mula sa sandali na malapit pa niyang pagbuhatan ng kamay ang asawa niya at ang dalawang bagay na pinagsisihan niya sa Pacquiao fight. At ang mag-i-interview sa kanya ay ang welterweight sensation noon na pinaglaruan lang ni Mayweather na si Andre Berto.
And I believe in 2019, you had your first loss to the legendary Manny Pacquiao. How did you take that loss, going through your first loss?
It was the worst feeling, mixed with a little bit of the greatest feeling. That fight, that build-up, sharing the ring with a real legend.
Sa pagsisimula pa lang ng interview, living legend at respeto ang pinapakita ni Turman kay Pacquiao.
Down goes Thurman! And let me tell you, that was just a quick punch. And Manny Pacquiao moved in with his legs.
It never got to be in the ring with De La Hoya, right? There was a talk of me getting in the ring with Shane Mosley, right? I was riding on Mayweather's tail, I was right there. They declared me the regular champion and Floyd got to be the super champion.
Noong 2015, naging malaking mantsa sa boxing ang sistema ng World Boxing Association nang ginawa nilang super champion si Floyd Mayweather Jr. habang in-upgrade naman si Keith Turman bilang regular champion. Ang kontrobersyang ito ay binatikos bilang isang diskarte upang makakolekta ang WBA ng dobleng bayad sa sanctioning fees at mabigyan si Mayweather ng chance na iwasan ang banta noon ng isang batang Keith Turman.
I'm looking forward to destroying Mr. Floyd Money Mayweather.
Floyd got to be the super champion, which made it so that he didn't have to face mandatories, and I had no political pull to force a fight with the money man himself.
At may isa pang ang video na naging viral kung saan nagre-reklamo si Turman na pinoprotektahan si Mayweather ng WBA.
They created the WBA super title, they gave it to Floyd so that he wouldn't have to fight me. Floyd Mayweather politically ducked me. 100. It was the most BS political move in the world. I get a phone call, hey Keith, instead of being the interim champ, you're elevated to the regular champ. So yes, I was his mandatory. Yes. You know what I'm saying? Did it ever get mandated? No. Then they elevated him to super champ. They gave me the regular champion, and they didn't let the regular champ touch the super champ in that generation.
Ngunit sa panahon na kung saan mainit ang Pacquiao versus Turman, inutos ng WBA na maglaban si Pacquiao at Turman.
Then I became the super champ, and the only reason why the regular champ fought me, because the regular champion was Manny Pacquiao. We were going to take that paycheck no matter what. Even if my hand was messed up in 2019, even if I needed hand surgery and I told my doctor I got a check to pick up.
Di nyo ba napapansin? Palaging sinisingit ni Turman na injured yung kamay niya sa Pacquiao fight. Hamak namang mas bata siya noon kay Pacquiao.
So in 2019, when the phone call finally came through for the opportunity to fight Manny Pacquiao, it was like, man, I don't get Floyd, I get Pac-Man. And it was just a dream come true.
At gaya ng sabi ni Turman, pangarap na natupad ang Pacquiao-Turman fight. At alam niyang mabait si Pacquiao at naiintindihan niyang dapat niyang i-promote ang fight.
Don't be surprised if Manny Pacquiao goes night-night.
But he's too nice, so I had to act like I hated him, Thank you, Manny. Oh my God, this is the best fight I ever got. You're amazing, Manny. Like, I could not do that. I talk trash for entertainment and entertainment purposes only. Do not copy this at home. This here is for entertainment purposes only. I mean, because he's a legend. How do you really hate on a fighter who came from the Philippines and what Pacquiao did was he brought a whole nation into the sport. One man pulls a whole nation into the sport, you know? And to this day, I have a plethora of Filipino fight fans.
Pero gaano nga ba kapait ang talong ito sa kanya?
It got very dark, you know? It got very dark for two reasons. There was a loss, but my hand was injured all 2019.
Dinidiin talaga ni Turman na injured ang kamay niya bago at pagkatapos ng Pacquiao fight. Legit na rason ba ito?
And I knew I was gonna have to have hand surgery.
Yeah.
And so I was very insecure. Though the doctor said it was a minor surgery, and it's been perfectly fine ever since 2019. The fear that I had going into the surgery, the fight happened, I believe, in July. I'm worried about the recovery, the rehab. I'm depressed.
Hey, no.
Matapang din itong si Turman kasi hindi siya nahihiyang aminin nga na-depress nga ito pagkatapos ng Pacquiao fight. At pansinin natin na mabibigat ang gamit niyang mga salita sa estadong ito ng kanyang karera. At may kwento rin siya tungkol sa kanyang asawa.
My wife just came to America. The first fight she ever got to witness in person was the Manny Pacquiao fight, you know?
Sa kaalaman ng lahat, itinasal si Keith Turman sa kanyang asawa na si Priyanna Thapa 2 taon bago ang laban niya kay Manny Pacquiao. At sa kasamaang palad nga, talo si Turman. At dahil nga dito, malapit pa niyang saktan ang kanyang bagong asawa. Bakit? Eto ang kwento.
But I remember being in LA and my hand was in a little soft cast, and my wife could clearly see my emotions. Now, this is like 2 months after the fight.
Yeah.
Clearly, like it has not changed, right? I'm sour, right? She said, in her own words, it's just a game. Black.
It's just a game. Ito ang tipo ng komento na huwag mong dapat sabihin sa isang professional na boxer. Dahil ayaw na ayaw nilang matalo. Ngunit ang tanong, nasaktan nga ba ni Turman ang asawa niya?
I'm telling you, I was like, you gonna have to walk away from me right now.
That's a rough. Woo! It's just a game.
And then the crazy thing is, though, as I calmed down, I was able to like kind of hear her words.
Yeah.
You know, and like, unfortunately, you know, she was right.
Nakapagpigil si Turman at hindi niya nasaktan ang kanyang misis. Bakit? Sa palagay ng channel na to, bagong kasal pa lang si Turman. Pero kung matagal ng kasal si Turman, may posibilidad kayang tamaan niya ang kanyang misis? Ano sa tingin nyo? Ating pampakinggan siya kasi may dalawang bagay siyang pinagsisisihan sa Pacquiao fight.
If there's any regret I have, it's not relocating for that one camp.
Yeah.
You know, because the fight was big enough, I should have honored it. I always said if I had to fight Floyd, I would have done X, Y, Z.
For sure.
So the fact that I didn't treat Pacquiao like Floyd, that was on me.
Minaliit niya ang kakayanan ni Pacquiao at sabi pa nga, kung si Mayweather daw ang nakalaban nito, maghahanap siya ng isang espesyal na lugar para sa kanyang training. At may nakita din siyang tinamong kastigo ni Pacquiao daw pagkatapos ng kanilang laban.
When you in the ring and Thurman's throwing them hands, boom, boom, pop. How many times have you seen somebody win a fight and they're the first one to leave the press conference? He said, look, thank you, everybody, fans. I just fought Keith Thurman. I'm done. Y'all, I got that W. I'm going to lay down.
Napunan niyang nagmamadali at umalis kagad si Pacquiao pagkatapos ng post-fight press conference nila. Sinasabi niya dito, bugbog daw umano ang kalagayan ni Pacquiao kaya siguro naghanap kagad ng doktor. Nakalimutan ata ni Turman na basag ang kalagayan ng kanyang mukha nang matapos ang laban. At insulto ang sandaling ito dahil nga sa agwat ng edad niya at si Pacquiao. At eto pa ang isang pagsisisi niya sa Pacquiao fight.
Did not put in the rematch clause as champion, which was clearly my right.
Yeah.
Right? I did not put in a rematch clause, but I should at least had it there for them to have, to give me some political pool. There's a lot of things in the sport that sometimes you don't realize where you made the mistake till much later,
Ito ang ikalawang pagsisisi ni Turman. Di niya nailagay sa kontrata na kapag natalo siya, dapat may rematch clause sila. Malamang napaka-confident ni Turman noon at minamaliit niya ang kakayanan ng Pinoy powerhouse na si Pacquiao. May mensahe ba kayo kay Turman sa mga revelasyong ito? Sa mga content na tulad nito, suntukin ng like at subscribe na rin for more content like this. Salamat, kaboxing tayo.
Like how my wife said, it's just a game.
Yeah.
But my small mind and my ego and my pride didn't want to hear that
At all.
for a second.